Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Apex Legends account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Apex Legends account, first open up Apex Legends mobile application on your mobile device and launch it on. Now you'll end up in this page from where you can easily choose one of the sign-in methods. You can tap on the EA account option if you've signed up for Apex Legend with your EA account. Similarly, you can also sign in using your Apple account by choosing Sign in with Apple. If you tap on the More option at the top, you'll be able to log in with your Facebook, your Twitter account, or as a guest. Let me tap on the EA account option for today's video, since I use the EA option to sign up for my Apex Legend. Now in the sign in area appearing on the next page, you'll need to type in your phone or email followed by your password associated with EA account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create a new one. For an existing account, go ahead and type in your phone or email in the first text box associated with your EA account, and on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Your Password option at the bottom. After filling in both of your details, tap Sign In and you'll be able to log into your Apex Legend account. That is how you can easily log in and access your Apex Legend account using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.